Hi everybody, it's Vitaly from Codelibry, and in this video I'm going to share with you what I'm doing in situations like this. When my WordPress website is not loading at all and just showing there has been a critical error on your website. So two important tools and one extra step you can do in order to handle this. So first of all, if you have access to a WP config file, you can check it, and there may be uh, situation like this. So we see WP debug false, WP debug display false, display errors, nothing. So basically we can remove this string and make these two strings as true. And when we go here, refresh the page, we can see the debug log. Okay, fine, we can work with that. Let's get back to our initial situation and try to use a plugin. I am really happy with Query Monitor plugin. So when I activate it on my client's projects when I do not have access to WP config file for some reason, or just a quicker way for me to see some initial debug information, apart from this, of course, some like what template is used, or what scripts and styles I enqueue on a page, what are the PHP errors on a particular page, like warnings and other stuff. And it definitely works when I don't have access from with FTP, SSH, or whatever to project. Just enable Query Monitor, and in most cases, it will help you. Also, a thing I've been posted in a LinkedIn on my blog. For some reason, I just never use this plugin. When you have a similar error, there is one important step to follow, and is to disable all plugins. Let's activate them. So these are all plugins I'm having at the website. Probably none of them will throw the fatal error, but what if it does? So first of all, I go to the link I'm going to share in my video description, and I'm uploading this plugin. What it really does, we go to troubleshooting page, and for example, you can see you don't have any default themes. Let's see how, yeah, you see the page loads with an error. Let's install the latest default theme. You can see the step number one, what I already see, is that right now my website loads. So the issue was in my theme and not in plugins. But what if I need to test which plugin definitely throws error? When I enabling troubleshooting mode, you can see it's enabled. I can also disable it. What I can really do, I can start enabling plugin one by one, not disabling, but enabling. And on the point when certain plugin throws an error, I definitely know that that is it. Few more things to consider is that probably before doing that, you will see that some of plugins are outdated, and if you checked the plugin specs and it's compatible with your PHP version, WordPress version, and all of the requirements from a developer, you can definitely click update now and just make an update. So summarizing this video, what we can do in order to debug our WordPress website. So we can enable troubleshooting mode, install Query Monitor, and adjust our WP config file to show the errors right on the screen. So right now I know that undefined function getField. GetField is a common function of advanced custom fields. So if I will enable this plugin, you can see my page loads. It's a blank theme, nothing to display, but page is loaded, so the plugin did his job. And that's how I troubleshoot things at WordPress. If you know something else, hit a comment in this video. If the video was useful for you, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and we're going to post more and more content that will be helpful for WordPress website admins, marketers, project managers, and help you to deal with your website. If you need more professional help, check out the website codelibry.com, reach me out, and we'll be happy to help. That's it, and bye bye.